What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 per day in 2019. So some of you probably never seen this before. I'm going to show you guys a hack and you guys are going to love it. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Also, for my regulars, happy to have you here. And I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm going to share with you a way how to make $100 per day online in 2019. All right, so let me just jump into things right away and get things all sorted. So the very first thing, I'm on Google. Let me just jump over to Facebook, right? So this is a Facebook hack that I figured out, and you guys can crush this if you remain consistent. If you put the work in, I'm telling you, you can make $100 per day using this method. So you're on Facebook. The very first thing you want to do is create a Facebook fan page, right? So if you're on your Facebook account, all you have to do is go over where it says fan page, right? So you can click over here and then you can create a page. So you can click on this, create a page, click OK, right? It's over in the corner, or you can get it from here. So we can click like here, click here, and then where it says page, right? You click on page. You want to create a fan page, right? So business or brand or community. I would definitely go with community, so I would click get started, right? So you want to give this a name. Now, give it a name that's catchy. Maybe it could be like fun games, or you can call it giveaways. You can call it giveaways, or you can call it treasure. All right. So you can call it treasure bar. Why not? Or treasure shop or treasure hut. Call it something. In the category, you can put the description and anything later. But let's go with next, right? All right. So it won't allow us to go through. So let's say what it is. You can put community, click continue. Okay, this name already exists. Oh my goodness. Treasure hunt games. Let's try that. That works. Oh, there's treasure hunt games, right? Well, we could skip all this, get this out of the way, all that kind of stuff, because we don't need this, right? So that's why I'm giving you guys like a full rundown from beginning to end. Now, so the method that I'm showing you definitely is on Facebook, of course, right? So what you want to do, you want to, for one, put a picture, right? You don't have to put a picture of yourself. Treasure hunt, you can go on canva.com, right? And you could create something, right? Which doesn't take a lot of time. So canva.com, you can go over there, you can create a profile picture, right? And then you can upload it. Let's say we upload a picture right here, right? You can start to, post some things in here to get it going. But here's the thing, all right? Here's the deal how you guys can crush it and make $100 per day in 2019, right? Never seen anybody done this. I decided I wanted to share with you. So here we go, right? So one, you can start to invite your friends. Nothing is wrong with that. So you can invite your friends, get people going. And the next thing you want to do, you want to go and create, for one, you can get a website, or two, you could just use Google. So let me just use Google, right? Click on Google, copy this here, I'm gonna try and see if it will work. So the website is called AdFly. AdFly, copy this, right? You could shrink this. Once you shrink it, you copy this, right? Copy this link, and copy this link, and I'm gonna go back over to Facebook, right? Now, you want to find viral content, things that people are gonna click on, things that people are gonna participate in, things that will get you going, right? So what I figured out, the things that go viral are quizzes, there's games, there's videos, funny stuff, whatever it is that could go viral because people like fun stuff. Now, where can you find like funny videos, right? There's funny videos that you can find. One, they're already on Facebook. Two, you can get them on Instagram, right? So if you go on Instagram, there's lots of 1-second videos. I'm gonna pull up Instagram. Let me turn this off. So let me put in funny videos, or you can put in funny memes or all that kind of stuff, right? So remember, this method can crush it. All right, so let me just pull this up. All right, there's some funny videos. It's probably a funny video, right? Not sure what this is. Okay, like that is cool, right? You can get stuff like that, right? Even though that is not like a funny video, but why not? Viral videos. If you look through here, there's a lot of funny videos, funny memes, all that kind of stuff. People like stuff that get their attention span, right? So what you got to do is, I'm going to show you one, for example. Now look at this, right? Who can tell the right answer? So this right here, as you can see, there's a lot of engagement, people trying to figure it out, which is right. And then you're going to have some people down there going to be arguing with people, right? People are going to be sharing this. Like, look at this. That's 57 shares. And this is like 10 hours ago, right? So once you sign up for AdFly itself, how AdFly works, you get paid every time somebody clicks this link. So they don't have to buy anything. They don't need to do anything. All they do is click on that link. Once they click on that link, so that's why you can place your links on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere else in order for you to go viral. So all you got to do is just join it. Once you join it, and you also get paid via PayPal or Payoneer, right? So what you see here, it's easy. Get paid to share your links on the internet. So you register for an account and start to shrink. And then once this go viral, right? At the beginning, you don't want to put the link in there. Well, you got to wait until it gets viral, wait until it gets out. Same thing with a video. Wait until it starts to develop some traction. Then you can edit it and put your link in it. All you got to tell people is, hey, by the way, for more, check out this link for more stuff or whatever it is that you want to do, right? So they can go to Google. You're sending them to Google. They can go on Google and they can type and search exactly more puzzles, right? You can find even a puzzle, let's say, you can find puzzles or video, or if you even want to direct them back to an Instagram page, it's okay. You could just get this specific link, where it's coming from, right? And you could direct them back from this page. So you definitely use this link, send them back to this, because guess what? There's some funny videos on here, right? There's funny videos and you can always direct people back. And also you can create another Instagram account, right? Create an Instagram account and the same videos that you upload on Facebook, you want to upload it on your Instagram, all right? And then you just do that. People are just going to be clicking on it. They don't need to buy anything. So even if you're broke, that is just a great way how to make some money. So the website is called it's adf.ly, but it's called AdFly, right? Copy the link, register, get paid. That's all you have to do. There's no magic pill. There's nothing that you need to do. Just find viral content. Find viral content on Instagram, on Facebook. Reuse them. Always give credit to the owners. Of course, you want to give them, hey, credit to this person or that person. And then just let it go viral. And then once it goes viral, add your link, start to share it. And you can even share it on your personal page too, because once you share it on your personal page, then your friends are going to see and they're going to be like, oh, this is cool. And then they start to share it, right? So again, step 1, create a Facebook fan page, right? Step 2, find viral content. Step 3, go to adfly.com, right? Or adfly.com. And then create that link. Step 4, go back to Facebook after the content go viral, and then you can insert your links, all right? And then that's all you got to do. So that's how you can make $100 a day, right? And make money online in 2019. So this is some easy way how you can do it. Now, at the beginning, of course, you're not just going to make a ton of money right away, but once your page start going viral, then it's going to start to pick up. And then as soon as you make $5, you can cash out, right? So you're required to earn, you get paid $5. You have to earn $5 before you get paid. So I hope this video helps. I know this video was a little bit, hit or miss, but hey, it's late and I'm required to do a video for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share this video and help some people out there, right? Thank you so much for watching. Andre, peace.